The night speaks, the whisper soft, hope is keeping. Gentle breath beyond life's test, miracles dreaming. Listen, hearts they listen, prayers ascending. Cold and bright, this when night kind of spreading. Families gather, moments matter, joy regretted. Soft whispers through the blaring snow, truth to find it. Gentle grace, safe place, dreams guided. Children play in their way, magic breathing. In the stillness, there's forgiveness, hearts are healing. Silent thoughts, love is taught, gift receiving. Snow is falling, light is calling, hearts united. Joyful singing, voices ringing, love is shining. In this season, we find reason, faith divided. Peaceful nights, holy sights, warmth united. Raise your hands to the sky, give thanks and sing. Feel the love that surrounds, let it take wing, yeah. Joy all around, hear it play, the sound of peace. With every breath we take, our souls find their release. In this midnight glow, where our hope softly gleam, joining hands in this timeless dream. Oh, the warmth of love shelters from the cold, in the grace which their light unfolds. As the stars align, we give our praise. In our hearts, faith remains. Snowflakes dance in the night, softly twinkling. Candles burning, hearts yearning, together we're singing. In each heart the gentle tug